Hi guys, TJ here from TJ Bricks, and I recently thought I realised I hadn't given you guys a city update recently, so I decided to do this and then just to give you a show of what's actually gone on recently. A lot's been done, so enjoy. So let's get straight to it. First, you've got the this sort of project which was not here last time, and it's a raised area, like for the cars. Like you can see that little vehicle going up the little gap here as it goes up like that. And this is obviously all the different coloured tiles underneath, but they'll all be covered up like that is there, and that's how it will be. And then coming round, I managed to get an extra base plate in front of the road base plates. They were a recent order, and I got one of those in front. You'll see. I'll point those out as I go along. And there's another one in here, in front of where the fire station is, which is this building right there. There it is. Then I took out my government building, which was in here before, and I've replaced it with a car show. And you can see there's the Bugatti Chiron leaving the city to go on the road. And it's a Ford show, as can be shown by the little sign that was in here. Yep. So coming round up the street, this whole area down here has been tiled. Not sure whether it was tiled last time, but I think it was. If not, then well, it's been tiled now anyway. And then there's some steps coming up, and this is all changed. I got that recent pick a brick order you saw. I put these fence pieces, which are these pieces there where my finger is. And then this is all a area, and this is the gun shop, which I had narrowed before. And there's a miner selling TNT to robots. And then Batman's got his new base up here. And coming round down the back, the prison restaurant, you've got the Harry Potter and Voldemort battling it out. Harry's just hiding at the moment. Coming up the building, and you've got Armoured Batman. I wonder what he's up to. Yep, off to save that. And then there's that guy. Poor him. Yeah, so he's off to save the Batgirl. Moving along. The park swap places with the police station, which is that building. That's the park, obviously. And they've swapped places because I think it looked really nice. Because you've got like sort of the next to build, like the other building in where the park is has been destroyed, and they've decided to build a park in it to make it all green. And then more road plates have been pushed in. There were up to here before, where this orange car is. That one. And there's been another two coming up here. And I've just knocked something. What did I hit? Oh yeah, it was Voldemort. Voldemort. Cool. Let's carry on. So there's obviously it was here, and now I've got another two in. And this is a junction. You may be asking why there's a junction, but I like having them in because then there can be parking on this side, and also parking on the other side. And you've got two police motorbikes parked up as well, which is all nice. Carrying around, nothing really changed with the train station. I think there were some fence pieces here before, but they've been taken out. And there's some more parking down there. The biggest change for this month of March 2018 is in the rail yard and around this area. So I'll just give you an overview, and then before I go in, there it is. So starting, you got the petrol station, which has been changed and modified. I'll give you a look inside that. So it's got the driver and some other bits. It's supposed to be open at the back. but I may cover that up at some point. But for the moment, I think I'll keep it like that. Then this has got a tram that's out of service, and people can have a look at it. And this is the rail yard, and one of the train lines that I said before, with like this one here, has been finished all the way along, thanks to the addition of a base plate. I was originally going to use the tan ones, like that, but I decided it doesn't matter, and I decided to put the other one in, which is all good up here. But the grey one, that's alright, and there's traffic building up for that. And then there's obviously some custom designs of here that I've got for cargo. There's one of them, which is a sort of a container for fuel or something. It's made up, so I don't really know. It doesn't really matter either. I just need to get a train base for that. Some Star Wars figures are still in the cart, and then I made some more containers, and it's a fridge unit, and that's from the pick a brick order as well. And there's my custom train, Freightliner Class 70, that I showed in in its own separate video. All of these videos, guys, if I say they have a video, just search TJ Bricks custom train, and it should hopefully come up. Then moving along to the skyscraper, I've decided to put the skyscraper on top of the bike shop to save on space, and also to help my city rise, which I've said in a previous video. That's the bike shop in there. I probably will redo that just to make it work a bit better. This is the skyscraper with Emmett, and they moved from the other place. And that's the Lego store, which I'm working on. So I'll probably give you an update of that once there's a bit more to update you on. And next to it, coming down back to the bike shop, there's a whole area here, and I want to put sort of an extra area where customers, such as Finn, can come look at the bikes and maybe buy one or go for a test run on them or something like that. Yeah, that's my plans for that area. And then onto the road. It's all been road plated in. This is and that was from the order, and it was this one, that one, and that one, which is great, and I like having them in. And I've started putting the tiling in with this little design that I really like. Doesn't serve any connecting purpose, I just like the look of it. And there's also a gap there, which is so I can put a figure in, just like this one area where that lady is. There'll be a jumper plate in there. Excuse me. And then coming round, you've got the more parking, and the new area. There's not new, cargo area. There's a few little additions to it. You've got this thing, which, let me know if you want a video on it, which is the switcher. It goes from the rail onto the road. You can tell from the wheels, and the red wheels are to train track and smaller ones for the road. And then that's a bit from a cargo thing, because I need to take the base for the custom train. And then you've got confrontation down here in the area, Steve and some of the Star Wars characters, and a Marvel guy against the custom sort of German army from Indiana Jones. Coming round again, you've got the corner deli, which is not really a corner deli in my case anymore, but that's still the same. Nothing really changed with that one. I put a roof on it. I built up the roof because it looks a bit bland, so I put that Star Wars ship on there as a landing pad for it, which I thought looked very cool, and I really like that. Yeah, I really like that, and I will be keeping it. Moving round, you've got all the minifigs of different sorts. They're all villains, Batman villains of various types, and they're all gathering together on the roof, planning something. Hope nothing too serious. moving down, you've got a whole host of characters there, and you've got Jay from Ninjago movie having a selfie with Daenerys from Game of Thrones. Even if you haven't seen it, you hopefully will know who she is. If not, oh well. You can watch it soon, maybe. Carrying round. Not a lot of changes down here. We're almost back to where we started. Oh, and yeah, remembered, new building. This is gonna be a chicken shop, and that's what that looks like at the moment, which is all good. And my hospital, which I eventually managed to get around to redoing, which is good. And yeah, I'm gonna have a lift in this corner. There's an area going out to where the ambulance is. There's a check-in desk, patients area, and an operating theatre. There's a lot more work needs doing on that area, so just stay tuned. Yeah, a lot more needs to be done there. And then that's coming round. And I forgot to mention at the start of the video that this area, it looks like it's big enough for a base plate in, except that it isn't. Sorry for the shaking, guys. There's a base. If you put a base plate, this is just an example one. It's not actually what I'm gonna put there. Hold it out. You see, it's a bit wide. So see that it's yeah. I'm gonna have to reshuffle this area. So hopefully that will be done fairly soon, and it will look really nice when it's done. I'm hoping. Yeah, that's. So, and what else have I done today? Oh yeah, I did the I redid the bus today. Not that I showed the video on it before. It's a bit blocky, I know, but I like it, so it's staying. Oh, that's something. I was thinking about that. I was thinking, I've got something to show. What was that? Yeah, I remember. Train tracks. They're all done. Well, partly. That still needs to be done. Work in progress. All the way around there. So that bit looks really nice down there. And it's also been done over here. If I move the train out of the way, you guys can see that bit too. If you pull the train there, I just think that looks really good. So, coming back round to where we started. Hope you enjoyed the video today, guys, and having a look at my updated Lego City. Stay tuned for more videos, and please remember to comment and give this video a thumbs up. It would be greatly appreciated. Thank you. Bye.